National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Warren County, northwestern Fayette County, Ohio, Clinton County, southeastern Clark County, Greene County, southern Madison County, until 6 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wilberforce, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Beaver Creek, Xenia, Washington Courthouse, Wilmington, London, Bellbrook, Cedarville, Sabina, Jamestown, Mount Sterling, South Charleston, Jeffersonville, Bloomingburg, Wilberforce, New Jasper, Clarksville, Harveysburg, Spring Valley, South Solon, and Midway. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 40 and 87. You're listening. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio County, southern Dearborn County, northern Kenton County, northern Campbell County, Boone County, Hamilton County, until 6 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bridgetown, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Covington, Florence, Independence, Norwood, Forest Park, Erlanger, Fort Thomas, Newport, Sharonville, Blue Ash, Loveland, Reading, Montgomery, Harrison, North College Hill, Madera, Edgewood, Ellesmere, and Wyoming. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 16. I-74 in Ohio between mile markers 3 and 19. I-75 in Kentucky between mile markers 179 and 191. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 15. Here is the